Good morning, children. Welcome to class 12th biology once again. Children, in our previous videos, we were discussing about chapter 12, that is applications of biotechnology. Okay, and we have discussed the applications of biotechnology in agriculture and in medicine. Now, we'll discuss about transgenic animals, ethical issues, biopiracy and patent. Okay, so ready for that? First of all, transgenic animals. Okay, the very simple, very easy definition, that is animals whose DNA is manipulated to possess and express an extra gene is known as transgenic animals. Okay, like suppose this is an organism and we have manipulate the DNA. We have manipulate the DNA of this organism. Okay, like we added the desirable DNA in the DNA of these animal. So by this way, this organism become useful and the quantity and quality of their product will be increased. Okay, the scientists have developed the transgenic rats, rabbits, sheep and cow, and these are very useful and helpful for human use. Okay, clear about this, children? I repeat once again, animals whose DNA is manipulated to possess and express an extra gene is called transgenic animals. Okay, so following are common reason for developing transgenic animals. Okay, some reason, कुछ reason तो हो गए ना बच्चों? क्यों हर काम को करने के लिए कोई ना कोई एम, कोई टारगेट होता है. सो टू डेवलप द ट्रांसजेनिक एनिमल वी ऑल्सो हैव some reason, and these are given below. Number 1, that is study of normal physiology and development. Okay, like we have to study the physiology and development of any transgenic animals. Okay, how? See about this. Useful to study gene regulation, their effect on normal function of body and its development. Okay, so basically, children, for study the normal physiology and development, we make the transgenic animals. Okay, for example, study of complex growth factor like insulin like growth factor. Okay, if we want to study about insulin, we'll develop the transgenic animals. Second, study of disease. For study of disease, we make the transgenic animal, like for study of genes which are responsible for disease in human and their treatment will develop the transgenic animal. Okay, by this way we can make the experiment on transgenic animal and we can find the causes of disease. Okay, like transgenic models have been developed for many human disease like cancer, cystic fibrosis, rheumatoid arthritis and Alzheimer disease. Okay, third, that is for biological products, that is very important. Okay, like अगर हमने कोई चीज़ को डेवलप किया है तो प्रोडक्ट के लिए ही क्या होगा. ओके, so that is the most important benefit or advantage of transgenic animals. Okay, so in this we can say that the useful biological products can be produced by introducing into transgenic animals. Okay, like for example, human protein, that is alpha 1 antitrypsin, that is used to treat emphysema. Okay, this protein that is found in the milk of cow. Okay, the first transgenic cow, that is Rosie. Maybe ask an exam in 1 marks. Name the first transgenic cow. So that is Rosie. In 1977, from the milk of this Rosie cow, the scientists have developed the human protein, that is alpha alpha lactalbumin. Okay, so the milk contained the human alpha lactalbumin and was more nutritionally balanced for human babies other than natural cow milk. Okay, so basically alpha antitrypsin, that is developed from other animal which treat the emphysema, but the Rosie cow, they produce the human protein, that is alpha lactalbumin, that are more nutritionally balanced for human babies. Okay, this is more effective than other cow milk. Okay children, now next, that is for vaccine safety. Like nowadays the scientists are engaged in the preparation of vaccine against coronavirus. So this vaccine, first of all, we cannot directly give to the human. First of all, we'll test on this vaccine on animals like transgenic mice. So to develop some transgenic mice for test safety of vaccine before being used on humans. Till then, the scientists test the polio vaccine on transgenic mice. Okay. Next, that is chemical safety testing. Chemical safety testing, that is the transgenic animal are made to carry genes which make more sensitive to the other non-transgenic animals. Like केमिकल्स को टेस्ट करने के लिए भी ट्रांसजेनिक एनिमल्स का यूज़ होता है. ओके, सो दीज आर सम रीज़न बाय दिस वे द ट्रांसजेनिक एनिमल्स आर डेवलप्ड. ओके चिल्ड्रन, क्लियर अबाउट ट्रांसजेनिक एनिमल. Now next topic that we are taking in this chapter, that is ethical issues. Ethical issues, that is children, it is the genetic modification of organism show unpredictable result when such organism are introduced into the ecosystem. Like हमने कोई जेनेटिक ऑर्गेनिज्म को मॉडिफाई किया और उसे इकोसिस्टम में प्रोड्यूस किया, सो ये बहुत अच्छे रिजल्ट को शो करेगा अदर देन ऑर्गेनिज्म. सो बाय दिस वे द पेटेंट इशू आर देयर. लाइक फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव टू पेटेंट आवर organism, otherwise the other countries company can got the patent right of this genetically modified organism. Okay, these are some ethical issues that we'll discuss here. So the modification and use of living organism for public service, like for food and medicine, create problem with patents granted. Okay, लाइक अगर हमने उसे डेवलप किया है तो हम उसे पेटेंट भी कराएं, अदरवाइज इट मे कॉज सम प्रॉब्लम्स. ओके, क्लियर. 1 सेकेंड. So the government of India that form an organization, that is GEAC, Genetic Engineering Approval Committee, to decide the validity and safety of genetically modified organism for public safety. Okay, clear children. Patent is very necessary because some cases have been occur, कुछ cases आ चुके हैं. लाइक द बासमती के बारे में आया. बासमती, दैट इज़ द यूनिक फॉर इट्स एरोमा एंड फ्लेवर. okay, that is cultivated by Indian farmers since 1900, okay, but in 1997 an American company got patent right for basmati rice through the US Patent and Trademark Office. Okay, an American company got the patent right of basmati rice from the US Patent and Trademark Office, and they allow the American company to sell the new variety of basmati rice in US and abroad. Okay, but this variety of basmati that is cultivated, that is invented by the Indian farmers in 90s, in 1900. So to prevent from these issue, children, we have to make an committee, that is genetical engineering approval committee. By this way, if we invent some organism, like first of all we got the patent right, then after that we will give for the uses of that organism for public. Okay, because कुछ केसेस आ चुके हैं, दैट्स वाई वी हैव टू बिकम मोर केयरफुल, क्योंकि कुछ फॉरेन कंपनीज ऐसा करती है, बायो पायरेसी करती है, मीन्स चुरा लेती है, वो किसी दूसरे देश से उनकी ओल्ड वैरायटी को अपनी सेमी ड्रॉप वैरायटी के साथ ग्रो करा के अपना पेटेंट राइट शो करती है. ओके, so that is biopiracy. Biopiracy, children, will discuss in this topic. Biopiracy, that is the use of bioresource by multinational company and other organization without proper authorization from the country. Okay, like कोई बाहर की कंपनी हमारे देश में आई और without proper authorization of our country, then they use the bioresource. Okay, and bioresource को use किया without compensatory payment, and they patent that they develop, they invent. Okay, वो ऐसा शो करते हैं कि हमने इन्वेंट किया है. So basically, children, we have seen that those countries are financially rich nation are poor in biodiversity and traditional knowledge. Okay, while those are developing and underdeveloped nation, they are rich in biodiversity and traditional knowledge. So the rich nation company comes in developing countries and use their resource without proper authorization. Okay, एक तरह से चोरी करते हैं, and this is called biopiracy. By this way, the Indian government has taken the action, and they pass a bill, that is Indian Patent Bill. Okay, in the parliament, and after that they made some laws against the biopiracy. Okay, clear? So patent you got, what is that? Patent, that is a set of exclusive right granted by national government to an inventor. Okay, I repeat once again, patent, that is a right that is granted by state or national government to an inventor. Okay, so this is about applications of biotechnology that we have discussed in this chapter. First, we have discussed the application of biotechnology in agriculture, then in medicine, after that in transgenic animals. Okay, then we have discussed the ethical issues and biopiracy. Okay, so chapter is finished. I hope you have learned all the topics. If any problem, you can come to school, we'll discuss here. Okay, thank you.